Hey guys, this is Bhavya Kaur from India. Recently, I joined the BuidlGuidl Batch 4, and this is my project. The main motive behind creating the skill verification system was to have a full trust-based system that lets users create profiles and post their skills. These skills can then be verified by other people on the network. Now I'm going to run you through a demo for how the system works. So you go ahead when you log in using a new account, you are prompted to create a profile. So let's name this profile as Bhavya 3, and I'll put my image. These are the two required fields. Everything else is optional at the start. Now, when you click on submit, you are going to see that a profile is created for you. This is your sort of user dashboard where you can see your profile on the left and you can see your skills on the center. Now, I'll add a skill for this user. Let's say I'm going to add solidity and I'll give myself a rating of a 4. And for proof of work, let's go to my GitHub and go to my profile and just post this. All right. So let's go back here and post this. You can post multiple proof of work. They will all behave the same way when you verify. So let's go ahead and submit the skill. Now, as we added the skill, it shows up on your user profile, and this is the average rating that you have. Okay, and the 0 indicates that you don't have any verifications for the skill, meaning no other user has verified that you are good at Solidity and you are having a 4 rating. Now, let's go to the users tab and see there are 3 accounts that I have. You can see the number of skills that they have posted. You can see the user address. You can see what is the username that they are having. Now let's go to the main account that I created. And this is my main account. And you can see the profile here has that they have already minted NFT. I'll go to this later. But now let's go ahead and quickly verify for the new user. For the new user, their skill. So when I click on the profile, you can see that this is the Purview 3 account and I can verify now. So when I click on the start, I am having a model show up where you can go through the link and see their submitted proof of work. You can verify it that way. And if you look and you feel that they are not good enough, you can change the rating. You can rate them basically out of 1 out of 5. So now I think I'm good enough. So I'll rate myself a 5. And once I click on verify, I'll be prompted because this is on MetaMask to confirm the transaction. So once this goes through, you can see the verifications thing changed and the rating has also changed. So now the rating has moved up to 4.5. Now for Bhavya 3, let's see who has verified the skill. So when I click on the magnifying glass here, I'm going to load a screen where you can see the verifiers for this skill. So you can actually see who has verified the skill and you can back it up saying that, hey, this profile that knows a lot of Solidity has backed my skills and given me this rating, right? Moving on. So now let's go to my last profile and actually mint the NFT, right? So going to the profile, I have Solidity here and I have an option to mint. So when I click on mint, the token will come through and token ID 2 and the contract address is this. Now to showcase it, because I cannot showcase it in a Burner wallet, I'll go to localhost/debug and go to the token ID here and get the token URI. And once this is here, I can go through this and see what the SLG that got minted. I can see my name show up here. I can see the skill here, and I can see the rating here as well. On Solidity, I've chosen to give a lower rating, so that's the lower decimal point. So if it's 4.5, I've chosen to showcase 4 and not like have 5 show up. Now, going back here, what we can do is also add another skill. And let's say I add JavaScript now and give myself a 3 rating, just put the same GitHub profile for now. And done. So now the JavaScript thing shows up, and now you can also click to mint. This will update your NFT that you have. Let it go through. Done. So now if we go ahead and click read on the same NFT here, I'll have another showcase of the skill that is added. Yep. So JavaScript shows up with 3 rated. That is what my rating was, and I don't have any verifiers yet. So the whole process will eventually go through, and you can keep on using the system. Thank you. This is my demo. Hope you guys liked it. I am open to suggestions, and I want to work on this project further. Thank you.